The last episode of Trippin' for Nothing, our crew hiked the Great Sand Dunes National Park. We got a bunch of sand in our face while climbing to the sun. Set camp on Salpata Falls. Hiked the Salpata Falls Trail. Swam in the cold Salpata Falls and caught a beautiful sunset at the end of the day. So join us as we break down on our way to Elephant Rock and Crested Butte, Colorado, in this episode of Trippin' for Nothing.
Good morning. Today is Wednesday, September 28th, and there's a hurricane in Florida right now, and I hope everybody's doing well. But I'm out here going for a run in Death Valley. There's Death Valley right there. Going for a run.
Now that I made sure that you guys know that I run, this is not actually Death Valley. This is actually the Great Sand Dunes.
Yeah. Today, we're gonna head to Buena Vista, Colorado, and we see this Elephant Rock, and camp over there maybe one night before we head over to Crested Butte. So, catch y'all.
All right, folks, we're leaving this place. Zapata Falls Campground. If you get a chance to come out here, this is a place to stay. I like this place. You got views of the dunes over there. We're getting ready to leave, so today we're gonna go to Buena Vista, Colorado. Try to find camp there. Maybe this Elephant Rock campground looks good. If anything, we'll see you there. So, catch y'all there. Peace. And our adventure continues. Great, this is the spot where I realized we have a fuel leak. So we went to the closest town, which is Alamosa, after I had to MacGyver the fuel line.
We're in Alamosa.
We had a leak in the fuel line again, so I had to MacGyver it. And then now,
with what?
Zip ties. Zip ties always work. Oh.
Zip ties. I had to clean
Always have your zip ties in always hand. Work, we're in Alamosa. We're gonna try to find a mechanic over here. It's a quick fix, but it's a fuel line, so it's part of being on the road. But
help us out,
Alamosa. Right here.
Help us out, Alamosa.
And I'm
It's a cute little town, though. I like it here.
And I'm listening to that
Alamosa.
jackass break.
I'm liking Alamosa.
Look, Mexican food.
We might just stay here.
Little town.
It's cute. It's really cute. This reminds me of St. Pete, like downtown St. Pete. That's what it reminds
it's like
me of.
little St. Peter, you know. What do y'all think? Here can help us.
They have a brew pub, barbecue.
Oh yeah.
If we can't fix it, we can drown our sorrows at the pub. Just kidding.
All right, y'all, we have a little update. We are in a Walmart here at a town called Alamosa, Colorado. We got a little problem with their baby right here. When we went to the Great Sand Dunes, we got a little leak right here from this fuel filter. So right here, So I just zip tied it for now. No more leaks. We got a part coming in tomorrow from the dealership here at Alamosa. So we have to stay tonight at a KOA. So it's still gonna be a good day, man. Little fix. It's a little piece, little plastic piece right here from my fuel line. It was leaking fuel. I gotta get that replaced. So $90 at the dealership. But I'll be back on the road tomorrow. I mean, she still runs, but I don't want to risk it leaking fuel the rest of the trip. So I'm gonna fix her right. So anyways, we'll catch y'all at camp. See ya. All right, y'all. We're gonna spend the night tonight at a KOA because we need some laundry done and a nice shower. And here it is. We're gonna, and that's the mountains we spent the night on yesterday right there.
Keep it
I'll
up
show
here
you.
so we don't lose it. Okay.
So we'll see you on camp.
That way we all. We're at a KOA,
Yeah.
Alamosa,
Yep.
and the views over there. I don't know if you can see the mountain there, and there is gonna be noise.
Oh, we just gotta follow this lady
We gotta follow this lady, so we'll see.
to our site.
All right.
Following this lady to the spot. We spent the night in those mountains last night right there.
Over there.
I went for a run there this morning. Once again, just letting you know that I run.
He's trying to get used to the altitude.
Yeah.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Okay.
I felt great.
A little playground for the children.
This is our site.
And I think this is us too. Yeah. That's us right there, right where she's pulling in.
Next to a
Papa. There's
Ooh,
Mama
Papa
Papo
gang too.
there, and then Chris and Celano will be in the third one.
All right. This is our camp at the KOA Alamosa. Great sand dunes. Great sand dunes is over there somewhere. Right there. And we spent the night in those mountains up there last night. Went for a run this morning. That was beautiful. This is the town we were looking at at night there. It was lit up at night. So KOA. You can do laundry. Wait for a park for my van tomorrow. So hopefully I get back on the road. Peace.
Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation.
I just playing in the playground here, eating the rain. You see the rain from a distance here in the valley. Yeah. Oh snap! As bad as this weather looks, actually
Like the
did not rain
hurricane
on us
followed
that
us here.
night, so it was a good night. Chef boy, got some ribeye on the grill. Their treat tonight out here at Alamosa. KOA. Can't go wrong with that. Simple salt and pepper. Sorry, vegetarians.
Sorry if we offend you.
Sorry to offend you. But you got that brewery right there. Bam! Kids are playing over there. Even a bad day is a good day on the road. So, God is still good. Throw it. They want to smell the other dogs. We're in the dog park here at the Great Sand Dune KOA. And over there is the sand dunes. And
It's about to be good night because we're gonna pick up our part tomorrow. And then hopefully get back on the road. Peace. Mamo's the Laga is a hit.
No.
Watching the movie.
All right, everybody, today is Thursday, September 29th, and we are headed to Elephant Rock. We finally fixed the van. We had a little piece of fuel line that had leaked. I got the piece this morning, put it in, and now we're on the road. So we'd like to thank, you know, the Creator for taking care of us in this hurricane season. We had a hurricane in Florida, and we were spared.
And we're sorry for Fort Myers.
Yeah,
and everybody.
we were spared, but the 2 hours away from us, they were hit pretty hard.
Really hard.
You know,
We're thinking
if
about
y'all
them.
believe, y'all pray for them, man. They got hit hard. So we got spared because we're away right now from Florida. We're in this beautiful place right here at the Great Sand Dunes. We got a little car trouble, but we're good now. But hopefully everybody in Florida, especially Fort Myers area, Naples area, family out there in Naples, hope everybody's good. And y'all take it easy. We'll see y'all on the Elephant Rock. Peace.
I found Bigfoot. There he is. That's right. All right, we made it to home of Buena Vista High School Demons. Wow.
Champs, okay.
They're demons, okay.
Now, welcome to Buena Vista, Colorado.
We are in Buena Vista, baby.
Look, it's beautiful here, too.
Latte espresso. CBD coffee. What?
What?
What the heck?
CBD coffee, what is that?
What is that? Let's get some for Mamu. Just
Mamu,
kidding.
you want some CBD coffee?
Just to clarify, Mamo did not drink any CBD coffee. None of that devil's coffee.
Tell us about this dirt road, babe. What was it used for?
This dirt road was used for, I don't know what it was used for.
You said a railroad.
I think so.
Oh.
It used to be a path, like an old, look, you can see it right here.
Well, actually, during the Leadville's bustling mining days of the late 1800s, the town of Buena Vista was served by 3 separate railroads, and the standard gauge Colorado Midland arrived last in 1877. A steep uphill buggy ride from Buena Vista gave passengers access to the Midland Depot, which was situated high above the town and followed by the banks of the Arkansas River. When the Midland was laid, the workers had to dig tunnels into the rocky hillside at the point along the road where the valley narrowed in order for the train to continue to follow the route along the river. When this series of tunnels was completed, many folks believed that this was the only spot in the country where the train could be in 4 tunnels at one time. More than 100 years later, the days of railroad in Buena Vista are long gone. The route was abandoned in May 1922, but the tunnel could still be seen today.
We're looking at the back. This is the front. front looks like an elephant.
Your destination is on the left.
Around up there. There's another campground nearby here. Yeah, you want to get out?
Here we are. Elephant Rock. We made it. There's Chris and Juliana.
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling I'm feeling I'm feeling.
All right, guys, we made it to the Elephant Rock campground, but it is pretty full.
Is she in the car? Is she in Papa's van? Oh, there she is.
There's the Elephant Rock right there. And it's beautiful out here, but there's too many people in the campground. So we're gonna
It's like, bye, hon.
go for a hike. I don't know about that hike anymore because I just sprained my ankle. But I can go for a little one. Sprained my ankle down there, but I'm good. So we're probably not gonna spend the night. We're probably gonna keep moving. So we're probably gonna keep moving because this is full. We're getting ready for a hike. Colorado is beautiful. Let me get a picture of you. Back up. There you go. 1, 2, 3. See all night. Yeah, this look like a dried up riverbank. Campground, Buena Vista, I think. Close to. Looking for couch rocks, like usual.
Bed chair. Eden found one. Always finding the couch chair. Don't go up too far, Eden.
Oh, she found another couch rock. Oh, stop. Couch stool. Wow. She just climbed that big boulder. Hey, just be careful, there's a big drop behind you, okay? Look how big this tree is that grew between these rocks. Jeez.
You know what? If we were on the plane.
It's a rock crack.
Oh, God.
But you don't smoke this one, folks. Don't smoke rocks, period.
Did she fish?
She did.
Daddy, I can't believe I fit in that crack.
What kind of nuts it is?
Squirrel came here and ate all these
He had
nuts.
his feast and he didn't finish. It's so cool.
Boys, let's go. Look at that.
Ask your iPhone.
Daddy,
Yeah?
Google what that is.
I will. I took a picture of it. Look at the mounds over there.
Look, Mommy.
Oh, nice, Eden. You found a bunch of little crystal rocks. Good find.
Not a bad view for our hike, though.
Never knew. That's funny. This is cool. I like this.
Look at that. There's a number 3 on that rock.
That's pretty cool.
Number 3.
I can see, Daddy.
That's cool.
10 or 3.
That's for you guys. These 2 are 3-year-olds right here.
What are you guys doing?
There's
There's a
a hole.
hole?
Yeah, come here.
What is the hole for, Kaden? Wow, look at that hole.
It's for ants.
It's for ants?
For an ant house.
Oh, what are you guys gonna do?
We're gonna throw rocks and mess the ant house up.
No, don't mess the ant house up.
I don't like ants.
Me either.
Captain T-Rex stayed.
Yeah, Koa came out of nowhere. Where was she? Oh, she's checking on you again, Kaden. Oh my goodness, what a sweetie.
Even check on me.
She didn't check on you? Because Kaden's her human. Kaden's her little human.
Gosh, it really does look like it could be a
Right? It's like a coral almost, but not.
yeah, probably that. I think that's like the peak there. That's kind of like a short. I kind of wanted to go there.
You call it a mountain climber.
You have a pocket knife?
Yeah.
No way. Another couch rock.
Now she's like tries to overtake everyone. Once you're in the picture,
Watch it, bro. Climb the rock.
well, how can I?
So cute.
So cool. Where your feet leads you to.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that one. That looks like a bench.
Again with the couch rock. I'm starting to think this is just a
Let me
thing
take
just
a
to take a
picture of
break.
this girl.
Okay.
No, don't touch it.
It can be any dinosaur bone.
You're in the wild now, folks.
Okay, is that a dinosaur bone?
You're in the wild.
Like maybe a deer?
Yeah.
It's a
I don't know.
dog.
Anybody know what this bone is? Let us know in the comments.
What is
This is lava rock, dude. What is lava rock doing here?
The dinosaurs.
That is so cool.
Maybe this was like a part of Colorado. The bad guys. Rapid fire. Oh, perfect! I see a couch rock. Mommy.
You don't need expensive shoes to be comfortable.
Why?
Because there's come through that way. Oh, it's a guy, look!
Wait, okay.
It's a Mommy, you stepped on it!
What? Oh, I did.
It's a
Oh,
caterpillar.
it's the same blue caterpillar.
There's a caterpillar.
I'm sorry, buddy. I hope he lives. Oh, I did step on him. Come on, let's go.
Did.
So right after Alicia murdered that caterpillar in the trail, we ended up leaving Elephant Rock Campground because there was just too many people there. There was no room, and so we kept going towards Crested Butte. So you guys stay tuned and catch us
Right
on
now,
Crested
guys, look
Butte
out the
the next
tunnel. Look out the
episode here
window.
on Trippin' for Nothing.
So this
See ya.
campground was packed. So we're leaving.
With some potential squatters.
So we're gonna leave this place. It was a beautiful hike though.
Yeah, it was nice.
And this is cool right here. Like an old road they just dug the old way. Chisel and hammer. And a ladder.
All right, y'all. If you made it this far, congratulations. We're really doing this for our memories, for our family. And hopefully we inspire you guys to go out and do stuff with your family because life is short. It's so cliche, but it's so true. So, till next time, see y'all Crested Butte. Tripping for nothing. Peace.